Are you tired of your countertop cluttered with appliances? Over-the-range microwaves might be the perfect solution for your kitchen. Not only do these versatile units save valuable space, but they also double as range hoods, providing essential ventilation while adding a modern touch to your cooking area. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best over-the-range microwaves on the market, taking into consideration their features, capacities, and designs. Whether you're a cooking novice or a culinary expert, you'll find the ideal appliance to enhance your kitchen experience. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the GE Over-the-Range Microwave. Are you in search of an efficient solution to elevate your kitchen experience? The GE Over-the-Range Microwave in stainless steel combines sleek design with powerful functionality. With a spacious 1.6 cubic feet capacity, it accommodates various meal sizes, making it perfect for your residential cooking needs. Equipped with convenience cooking controls, this microwave simplifies meal preparation, allowing you to make quick adjustments with ease. Enjoy the flexibility of the turntable, which can be turned on or off based on your cooking requirements, ensuring even heating throughout. The 2-speed 300 cubic feet per minute venting system efficiently eliminates smoke, steam, and odors, keeping your kitchen environment fresh. Additionally, the auto and time defrost features streamline your cooking process, saving you valuable time when preparing meals. Installation is a breeze with the easy mount design, making it accessible for homeowners looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances. Operating at 1,000 watts, this microwave offers powerful performance without compromising energy efficiency. Included with your purchase is a recirculating charcoal filter kit, ensuring that your microwave not only performs well, but also maintains a clean and pleasant atmosphere in your kitchen. With the GE 1.6 cubic feet over-the-range microwave oven, you're choosing a blend of practicality and style that complements your cooking journey. Embrace the ease and efficiency this appliance brings to your home, transforming your culinary experience. At number 4, Farberware Over-the-Range Microwave. Are you looking for an efficient and stylish solution for your kitchen needs? The Farberware Over-the-Range Microwave is designed to enhance your culinary experience while maximizing space. With a powerful 1,000 watts of cooking power and a generous 1.7 cubic feet capacity, this microwave accommodates everything from quick snacks to larger meals, making it perfect for busy households. You'll appreciate the multifunctional cooking options that cater to a variety of dishes, whether you're steaming vegetables, reheating snacks, or using the auto-cook feature for different meals. The advanced defrosting capabilities make thawing frozen foods a breeze, thanks to intelligent time and weight settings that ensure effective results every time. Convenience is key in your kitchen, and the Farberware microwave delivers with its quick plus 30 seconds function and melt soften options, ideal for those moments when you need speed and efficiency. Safety is also prioritized with the child safety lock, allowing you to cook with peace of mind, especially around little ones. Beyond functionality, this microwave features user-friendly additions like an LED timer, a vent fan, and a stovetop light, enhancing usability and ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. The optimized design blends seamlessly into your kitchen, creating a cohesive look while saving valuable counter space. With the Farberware Over-the-Range Microwave, you'll have a reliable companion in your everyday cooking adventures. Number 3, we have the FRIGIDAIRE Over-the-Range Microwave. Are you in search of a reliable and stylish kitchen upgrade? The FRIGIDAIRE Over-the-Range Microwave is designed to accommodate your cooking needs while enhancing your kitchen's aesthetic. With a generous capacity of 1.8 cubic feet, this microwave provides ample space for a variety of dishes, making it perfect for busy households. Featuring one-touch cooking options and 10 power levels, meal preparation becomes a breeze. You can easily select the ideal setting for any dish, whether you're reheating leftovers or cooking a family favorite. With a powerful 1,000 watts of cooking power, you'll enjoy efficient and consistent results every time. The microwave's compact design saves valuable counter space, while its sleek stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The non-ducted venting type ensures that odors and steam are effectively eliminated, keeping your kitchen fresh and comfortable. Additionally, the FRIGIDAIRE microwave includes an auto defrost feature and a timer for added convenience. With 27 touchpad buttons and 2 fan speeds, it offers versatility for all your cooking and venting needs. Whether you're an aspiring chef or simply need quick meal solutions, this microwave is an excellent addition to any home kitchen. You can trust that it will deliver quality and performance for years to come. Upgrade your cooking experience with the FRIGIDAIRE over-the-range microwave. At number 2, BLACK+DECKER over-the-range microwave oven. Are you in search of a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance? The BLACK+DECKER over-the-range microwave oven may be the perfect addition to your home. With its spacious 1.9 cubic feet capacity, this microwave provides ample room for cooking a variety of meals, making it an excellent choice for families and anyone who enjoys cooking. Designed with user convenience in mind, this microwave features 10 power settings, a built-in timer, and a 30-second express cooking option, allowing you to prepare your favorite dishes quickly and efficiently. With pre-programmed auto menus for popcorn, vegetables, pizza, and more, meal preparation becomes straightforward, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The integrated cooktop LED lighting enhances visibility while you cook, ensuring you can easily monitor your meals. Additionally, the 2-speed 400 cubic feet per minute venting fan system effectively removes smoke and odors, keeping your kitchen fresh and pleasant. Safety is a priority with the child lock feature, giving you peace of mind in homes with little ones. Installation is seamless with the included kit and comprehensive manuals for guidance. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this microwave not only delivers functionality, but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. The BLACK+DECKER over-the-range microwave oven is more than just a cooking appliance. It's a reliable partner that enhances your culinary experience. And finally, the number 1 of our list, GASLAND over-the-range microwave. Experience the convenience of the GASLAND over-the-range microwave, designed to elevate your cooking experience while enhancing your kitchen's functionality. With a spacious 1.9 cubic feet capacity, this microwave offers ample interior space to accommodate family meals and larger dishes effortlessly. Are you looking for efficient cooking? This microwave features a powerful 1,000 watts of cooking power, along with 11 variable power levels, allowing you to tailor your cooking for perfect results every time. The multi-stage cooking option provides the flexibility to use different power levels throughout the cooking process, ideal for various recipes. With its one-touch start functionality and 9 preset cooking options, including popcorn, pizza, and auto defrost, meal preparation becomes quick and hassle-free. You can even add an extra 30 seconds of cooking time with ease. You'll appreciate the efficient air circulation provided by 2-speed ventilation fans, effectively removing cooking odors while maintaining a quiet operation of under 62 decibels. The built-in LED lights illuminate your stovetop, ensuring you can see everything you're preparing. The sleek 2-in-1 design not only saves valuable counter space but also provides powerful ventilation. With a removable rack for double cooking capacity and a turntable that can be toggled on or off, this microwave meets all your cooking needs, making it a perfect addition to any residential kitchen. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which over-the-range microwave you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.